How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil light on a 2015 Ford Focus. We're going to simply put the ignition on, leave the engine off. You'll see I have the warning right there. Oil change required. What we're going to do, we're going to hold the gas and the brake at the same time. Both. Just hold them down. As you hold them down, you're going to get that reset in progress. Just keep holding. You're going to hold throughout. Eventually it's going to say complete. There we go, complete. Now you can let go. Again, you got to hold the brake and the gas throughout the whole time. If it's something that doesn't come up, just cycle the ignition off and turn it back on. I'm just going to show you guys. Warning is now gone. There we go. I hope this helped. Have a good one.